Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Driver crashes after trying to get to the exit ramp from 2 lanes away. Wear your seatbelts. You never know what can happen. Am I the idiot here? Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it.
A few moments later.
Driver on his daily drive to the grocery store. Comment if you know where this is.
Was it North Dakota? Yeah. Well, one of the Dakotas. You transferred from Dakota, and you won an SEC championship, which is supposed to be a very difficult conference.
The most impatient driver of this video. I need new pants after this one.
Holy shit. Scared the hell out of me.
Merging must be really hard here.
The scream didn't stop. It continued, a steady, constant loop. The beginning the same, the ending varied.
Are you fucking insane?
The scream changed, intensifying. It continued looping, just a little louder, a little less usual.
Is he having a stroke or something? I think he just got his car yesterday and that happened.
Extra few minutes to detail this crane. This sounds really silly, but I really enjoy looking at what I've created here. I love this crane. It is definitely a single angle build. If you look at it from the other side, from Jen's perspective.
All three had somewhere very important to be. Were they working together to block him? I thought this was funny.
Twenty minutes later. Two hours later.
What's the probability that there is at least one cop around here? Parking zone is now her private lane. I'm convinced he needs to go to the bathroom.
This guy just driving down the middle lane. Must be a nice little day. Cruise. Unbelievable.
That is a lot of damage. I'm sure he's just practicing his turn signals with his hands. Remember what they taught us?
A few moments later.
I don't think a single driver would be ready for that. Another one who doesn't use their mirrors? Driver gave me a thumbs up after this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.